was, look at my Pink Panther, isn't she beautiful? I was like, oh yeah, mama. It's summer here in Mindelo. That said, it's always summer here in Cabo Verde. And there's always something going on, like this pop-up market here for the weekend, which also was the spot for a reggae dub party at night. And speaking of parties, there was one more I was invited to at the Drunken Sailors Bar.
Happy birthday, madafaka! Motherfucker, happy birthday!
Good morning, everybody. I've just left my mooring, my special place there, and it's super calm in the bay, so I'm recalibrating my autopilot right now. It's auto-learning what's going on, so like I said, it's really cool and mellow. Good time to do this, and then I'm gonna dock myself into the marina to wash up the boat. It is disgusting, all sandy and dusty. I look forward to giving Galopin a good clean. Then I have to go to the maritime police to get my exit paper. Okay, we're done. We have the helm. It's a good thing because we're getting a little close to this. Green buoy here, been put here for the new big cruise liner dock that's supposed to be inaugurated this month, end of the month. Unfortunately, we won't be here. Nice day in the bay, kind of cloudy. Seemed like it was gonna rain. Not bad, we're doing 5 knots at 2,000 RPM. Sure, if I cleaned the boat off better, we'd go a little faster. It's not bad. Okay, man, we're ready to go. How fast is ready to go? On est prêt?
On est prêt, capitaine.
Okay.
Capitão.
Wendy's ready to go. Come here, Jeanneau SunFizz. We're taking off. It's about 11 o'clock. Let's do it. We had great wind conditions to go for the next 24 hours. One of the toughest challenges is to go up the channel between the two islands. And today, it was going great. Okay, Raphaël, tout droit? Tout bon? We would motor sail north past the island there, and then tack east straight to our destination. In theory, once we tacked, we turned off the motor and adjusted the sails. We had taken a reef, but soon after, we put up full sails. The weather forecast is great, and there's no one out here but us. Do I drink and sail? Yes, I do. That's one of the benefits of sailing. The autopilot is on. There was not much more to do but to celebrate. Chin chin, Raphaël.
Chun chun.
Raphaël and I have settled in. Boat's cruising about 5 knots. Gentle winds. Life is beautiful. Wendy's chilled out where she likes to be in her little cabin. Gosh, I gotta thank our friend Raphaël because he brought some grog. He brought actually punch tamarindo. Tamarind punch. And we just polished off the little bottle. And we feel good.
We feel good. J'ai besoin de rien d'autre. Ah, on est bien là, putain. Hein?
Tu parles.
Hein, franchement.
Trop bien. Really good vibes after a cool blunt and some more grog. But there was something missing. Huh. Yeah? Agora, que tem vento, que tem ondas. É nice ou não? A boca se batera.
The night sail was good. Raphael made us food, which we all needed. Then he and I took turns on watch and slept as well. We crossed paths with 2 cargoes, which we had been following on AIS and could clearly see on the horizon, and steered clear. Yes, we drank, and sailed safe.
Bom dia, Raphaël.
Bon dia, Alex. On fait moins les malins, hein.
Oui, c'est vrai. Ça va la tête un peu?
Ouais.
Ouais.
On a connu mieux, mais ça va. Bonne nuit quand même. J'ai bien dormi. C'est toi qui as fait l'écart, donc c'est bon.
Ah, jeez, we drank a little too much, hein, un petit peu trop. Il était bon ton grog.
Ouais.
Comme vous voyez, as you can see, c'est le diable sur mon côté gauche là, qui m'a forcé de boire.
Conditions were just as Wendy apt forecasted. They even got better.
Well, friends, Winded Voyager fans and all of you out there, we've almost arrived in Palmera Sal. It's been an amazing 24 hours of sailing, average of over 5 knots. Actually, almost did the trip, 24 hours. And wind topped at 15 knots and the lowest was maybe 9 knots. Just absolute delight. As I've said before, when sailing is good in Cabo Verde, it's orgasmic, man. It's the best. Raphael was a great help. We got a little drunk last night, or a little very drunk last night. Wendy doing okay. She popped up yesterday for a little while, had something to eat, and looked at us drunken fools. Okay, off-topic moment. I'm making food here for the crew. Raphael, Wendy was out there catching some rays. Então, Wendy, esse viagem, nunca mais?
Não, tá bem.
Tá cool, huh? Agora eu vou querer comer. Got here from sailing 24 hours. And the off-topic moment today is curried chicken, my way, the Swiss way. And from the mountain way, because I cooked it in some white wine, that's what Raphael said, and put lots of cream in there. So what it is chicken, onions, garlic, ginger, curry, white wine, and cream.
Oh, I forgot to add pineapple.
It's awesome. Ventera Rosa, look at my pink panther, isn't she beautiful? Why? Bien Raphaël, c'était bien la navigation, bon bateau, voyage?
Non.
Terrible. Terrible. Oh, bye Wendy. Anda. Palmera, best morea fleet in Cape Verde. Beautiful Wendy and Pink Panther.
When anchoring in Palmera, it's customary to sit at the port bar here for beer and fried moray eel, and saying hello to friends. Then we went for a walk in the sleepy town to the spot for its colors and more.
Quem é que é mais bonito? Os guitarras ou a Pantera Rosa?
Grilled meats. These were awesome. A bunch of folks came here to watch a football game, which Raphael enjoyed. I enjoyed several grogs. Wendy, several beers. Then back to Galopin. I had to deliver this package for a friend's sister tomorrow. Yet, I mostly enjoyed Wendy. At 5 in the morning, I took Raphael to land so he could catch a plane back to Dakar, Senegal. See you soon, Rafa.
Santa Maria. Santa Maria is beautiful, but the main thing, the most beautiful thing there is in Santa Maria is this person. Look who's here, motherfuckers! It's no favorite person, Marisa. Wow. Vergonha por quê? It's Marisa, who's just too beautiful. Huh? Pequena tribulante. Ima Wendy, não está tão feliz de olhar. Ah, Wendy, eu amo. Ah, ela.
Hello guys, do you miss me? I know.
E ó, Marisa. Sentiu coragem, você sabe?
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.